Hi guys, so this is Hyundai Creta. If you see, if I come closer to the car, the mirrors open and it's a keyless entry. So I'm going to show you the engine variant. So this is the 1.5 liter petrol engine. It produces 115 horsepower and 144 Newton meter torque. So this is the engine. We have one issue with the engine. So this uses the automatic transmission, and you can if you have already a Hyundai with you, you will know that there is a small glitch in the gearbox. That is, when you change your gear from reverse to park, there is a noise that comes out from the gearbox. So I'm going to show you this noise today, and just to let you know that this is a very usual thing in most of the Hyundai variants, especially the IVT transmission. So let me start the car and show you the sound. So this variant is only available in the Middle East. So it's a 1.5 liter engine. Most probably in India it's 1.6 liter, and it's an automatic transmission. So let me just heat up the car for a while, and then I will make sure that you hear the noise. This has voice assistance as well, and there are different types of options here with the engines. You can see that there is an option where you can do auto lock for the doors, enable on shift or speed. For example, if you put it on drive mode, automatically your doors will be locked, or if you drive 15 kilometer and above, automatically the doors will be locked if you have clicked on enable on speed. So if you go back, you have auto unlock when the vehicle is off, or when you shift to P, the door automatically unlocks. So now we have put that when the vehicle is off. So let me click it to when the vehicle is when we shift on park. Okay, and then we go back, and the sound, welcome sound, you just heard it in the beginning, so you can change it if you want to. These are the mirror lights. When you come closer to the car, you will have mirror lights on, so that you can just, if it's dark, you can see it clearly where your door is, and if there's something that is on the ground. It's most probably you will have these features used in a place where there are not much street lights. Okay, so let's see if you could hear the sound. So I've put it on reverse. So once you're in reverse, then when you put it to park, you heard that noise, right? So that is from the gearbox noise, which is very normal. But if you have already put it on drive, put the handbrake on and put it to park, you will have lesser noise. So that's the catch here. So that's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will make many videos like this, and hope to see you soon on a new car. Thank you.
Like and subscribe to my new channel and support me.